Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel Learning Fun Zone. In India, Nag Panchami is a joyful day dedicated to appreciating snakes, creatures that help keep our environment in balance. Through rituals and offerings, we offer gratitude for their presence in our ecosystem. This festival teaches us the significance of coexisting with all forms of life, no matter how different they may be. So, what are you waiting for? There you have it, our Nag Panchami scratch game code decoded. With a few simple blocks, you can create a dynamic educational gaming experience that's perfect for celebrating this festival. It's a blend of learning, creativity, and celebration, all in one. Let's celebrate Nag Panchami by diving into this engaging scratch game. Let me create a new game. Now I will change. Now, let us add a jungle backdrop or a woods backdrop that sets the perfect tone for our Nag Panchami adventure. So, I will choose this one. Delete the default sprite and let us choose. Let us darken the color of our snake so that it is clearly visible. Looks good. And now, general knowledge question: what does snake eat? Apple? Milk? No, right? So let's add something for our snake. I will change. Flip it horizontal. And let us reduce the size a bit. 70. Let us change the size of our snake to 70. Okay, do you want anything more? We will add one mouse. Same way, we will change it to 70. So, now the magic of our game will begin with the snake's movement. We will code the snake to follow the mouse pointer, and whenever we will follow the mouse or the frog towards it, and it's like moving your own friend snake and responding to your every move. So let us start the movement of our snake. So let us go to events when the green flag is, and we will go to the mouse pointer. And let us take a forever block. And let's go back to motion and we will glide it. 2.5 seconds and let us move according to the mouse pointer. Let's try it once. So when I'm moving the mouse, this is moving. Awesome. Now speaking of food, let's talk about food's placement. We have coded the food items, that is the frog and the mice, to appear random. We can code the food items like frog and mouse to appear on the screen using the go to random position block. This will add a element of surprise and keep the game exciting. Let us go to events when the green flag is clicked. Go to random position. Now let us take a forever block. We'll go to a random position, but now whenever it is touching the snake, we want the eating effect, right? So for that, let us add some condition. if then, and go to sensing. For sensing, we will add touching. So whenever the frog is touching the snake, let us add a variable. Okay, so variable score, and let us change that score by 1, and let us reset the score to 0 whenever started. We can also add some eating sound whenever it is eating. So for that we will add a chomp sound. Go back. Chomps. Let's try this. It is getting stuck, right? So we want it to hide and wait for 1 second and then go to random position. So let us go to looks and we will add hide block. And let us add for 1 second waiting. This again, show the sprite. And after that we want it to go to random position. And let us add again. Oh wait. Let us try now. So it's eating and it's disappearing for a second, for a moment, right? And then going to random position. Perfect. Let us stop. Okay, we want to set the variable of score to 0. So try now. Perfect. So, and let us now add the same thing for mouse as well. We want to add the same code. We will add the chomp sound for the mouse as well. Can add some royalty free music over here. So I've downloaded some songs which are free. Let's try to run it now. That's unbelievable, isn't it? If you enjoyed this Nag Panchami game and want more exciting content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, happy gaming and happy Nag Panchami.